Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Zach here, and we're experiencing a little bit of a pullback in the overall market right now. That goes for Shiba Inu, Dogecoin. We're going to take a look at those two in particular in this video, but everything pulling back just a little bit, and that makes sense. We're going to come right back to this article because this one is interesting. Shiba Inu lacks momentum, however, still eyes 35% ascent or upwards movement. Now, again, we'll get right back there, but why is the overall market slightly down today, slightly correcting? Well, we've got the fear and greed index showing us that we've got extreme greed right now in the market. This is a 79 ranking right now. You could see this on the bar chart. So again, 0 means extreme fear, while the value of 100 represents extreme greed. So we are definitely in the extreme greed category. When investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction, and I think that's what we're seeing right now. On the other end of the spectrum, of course, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. It's a good time to buy the dip. So right now, that is not the issue. The issue is people maybe are buying a little bit too much, and we're due for a correction. And again, the data sources that are looked at with the crypto fear and greed index: volatility, market momentum and volume, social media surveys, dominance and trends. I love this. I love this metric, and it's an important one to check out. So we're going to talk about SHIB and Doge in particular in this video, mostly SHIB. But before we get there, we've got the supporter insider level links down in the description. Come on over and join us. We've got an awesome private community building and growing each and every day. Great place to be if you want to talk all things crypto all the time. There's always somebody in there up and at it. Somebody for you to bounce some ideas off of, ask questions. And of course, you have direct access to me. I'll take a look at your portfolio for you if you go with that insider package. All right, so let's go back over to this article. Let's start here before we get into the charts. Shiba Inu price showed an inability of the buyers as it briefly slipped below the 8.1 level. And this article coming out yesterday, we are below that level right now. Excuse me. Well, I'm going to leave that in. How about that? Oh, man. A little tired this morning. A resurgence of bullish momentum could push SHIB to slice through resistance barriers and tag that 1120 level. A couple days ago, they put out an article, FX Street, that if we would continue to the upside here, we could be heading to the 1200 level. So Shiba Inu faced a minor blockade as it pierced a crucial resistance level. However, due to the corrective nature of the cryptocurrency market, SHIB experienced a pullback, delaying its upswing. It awaits a trigger here. Shiba Inu came close to testing the 759 and is currently hovering above the 811. While this recovery is impressive, SHIB is still below the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at the 871. If the buyers band together, pushing the meme coin above that said level, it will confirm the start of a second leg up. In such a case, Shiba Inu price is likely to make another run at the high probability reversal zone, ranging from the 955 to the 1070 zone. Okay. In an optimistic scenario, SHIB will shatter the price volatility reversal zone and head to the 1120 range, a roughly 38% upswing from the current position of 0820. All right, so keep that in mind because we're going to take a look at the charts now and see that we're getting a big sell-off at the time of this recording. So this is interesting. A big dump-off right here. And this literally just happened. So what is going on with the overall markets here? Well, Bitcoin down 2%. We're seeing everything sell off pretty hard. Here's the Bitcoin sell-off. Okay, here's the Ethereum sell-off. A little bit less here, but everything's selling off right now. Matic is selling off 5%, but SHIB really selling off along with Dogecoin. So there's the sell-off. We're well below that support line here with SHIB falling below the 776 range. I would not be, upset or would not have a huge problem with somebody adding onto their position here. I know a lot of people are going to be selling, and it's really hard to buy the dip here, but if we get a reversal, we're going to be right back up in here to the 9.2, 9.3, 9.4 levels. But everything's selling off right now. SHIB is down 7%. Let's take a look at the overall crypto market, and that literally just happened, the big overall sell-off. So let's refresh this and make sure we're up to speed. Yeah, now we're getting a pullback in the market. Literally just happened. So now Bitcoin down 3%, Ethereum 2%. Let's see here. XRP back down 5%, Polkadot 4.5%. And we're going to have to continue to watch this very closely, but this makes complete sense. When I'm looking at the crypto fear and greed index, extreme greed is setting in. The market is due for a major correction here, and it makes complete sense as to why we're seeing that happen this morning. And a lot of assets are down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5%, somewhere between 1 and 5% right now. Axie Infinity, there you go. Cosmos down 10%. A lot of these altcoins that ran up over the past couple days, they're going to be back down 8, 10%. Interesting though, SHIB is down 9% almost, and it did not run up over the past couple days. So it's flattening back out here. Ranked 45 still. But look at AMP, way back down after the nice day yesterday, back down 13.38%. So this is classic market manipulation. If you're new to crypto and you're like, Zach, what the heck is going on? They ran up the prices yesterday and now we're pulling it all back. This is just classic market manipulation, and the whales gaining some, ground here and seeing how, what the market's looking like, how they can, get in there and get out and make a quick, buck. And a lot of times we see these kind of tests when they're kind of testing the sentiment of the overall market, right? Just to kind of see where everybody's at. And I think, obviously this kind of strategy can work when you're dumping in the kinds of money that some of the institutional investors are investing in. But on the retail side, we can't really worry about that too much. We just have to play our game, right? Control what we can control. And we're going to have a lot of ebbs and flows in the crypto market, but that's normal. So we're back down 2% right now, okay? Let's take a look at a couple different things here on SHIB. So we're watching this. We're heading down right now to the 7.5 level. We'll take a look at the technicals. So the technicals right here in the 1 day showing sell. Now let's dial it back here and see what they show if we go back 4 hours, 2 hours, strong sell. 1 hour strong sell, 30-minute strong sell, 15-minute strong sell, 5-minute sell, and 1 minute sell. Okay, so that's what we're indicating right now on the technical indicators. Now, a lot of people would say, Zach, what happens about buying the dip? What happened to buying the dip? And I'm with you. I think we can buy the dip here. Now, is it going to dip further? That's the question. I would try to get a little bit of a reversal here. Once you see a green candlestick, if we go into the 1 hour, or go into the 1 minute rather, let's go into like the 30-minute, see if that does anything for us. Nothing yet. Nothing yet, because this literally just happened. We're going to have to go into the 5, probably 3 or 5. Let's go to 3. Should be able to see something here. Okay, this is the 3-minute. So once we see some kind of reversal here, all right, so we're getting a green candlestick there. Okay, so there you go. We are consolidating a bit here. 1 minute. There you go. All right, so we're consolidating at the 7.5 level, at least right now. So if you want to get in right here at this level, this is not a bad entry point in my opinion. Big selling pressure here, but now we're leveling back off here at 7.5. I think this is a good buy the dip opportunity in my opinion. If and when, depends on if and when you got into SHIB, but all in all, not a bad spot to buy the dip. That's what I've got for you here in this update. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments section, and I will see you in the next video.